Hello, welcome back to FRAG-MENTAL. I'm Chris, thanks for joining me. Today, I have got a good old mystery fragrance unboxing. I know this is from Amouage. I've no idea what's inside it, so I thought I'd open it on camera. Let's solve the mystery together. From time to time, Amouage are very kind and send me fragrances, but when they do, there's often an email letting me know what they're sending. This time, nothing. No email. This is a complete surprise, so I don't know if this is a Christmas present. I don't know if it's a new fragrance. It could be a discovery set. It could be a paperweight, for all I know. So I have no idea what I'm going to get with this. I do know that they have some new fragrances. They've got some new fragrances in the Exceptional Extracts line coming out. Maybe that's in here, maybe it's not. I don't know. So let's find out what's in the box. And if I'm honest, as long as it's not Gwyneth Paltrow's head, I'm happy. Let's do it. Just get my knife. So I've not even looked at the documentation, which probably tells me what is inside. I just wanted this to be a complete surprise. The moment of truth. We got a little box, a nice gift wrapped box. This is like, oh, Christmas come early. So I'll put this under the tree and make the video after Christmas. Yeah, I'll do that. Sorry to waste your time. I'm going to open this late. No, come on, let's do it. Let's get it open. Well, thank you, Amouage. Always appreciate when you send things through. One of my favorite brands, fantastic, legendary brand, stunning fragrances. I wore Overture Man actually the other day, which is like a grapefruit and incensey, boozy smell, stunning fragrance. That is so powerful, works really well in the winter. I think this feels like a fragrance box rather than a discovery set. I'm so happy. I didn't mention it just in case it wasn't, but I was secretly hoping it would be Jubilation 40. The Exceptional Extracts collection is fantastic. Interlude 53, that's amazing. I even prefer it to Interlude Man, the original one, because it just sort of softened the edges a little bit. It was still the same sort of beastly fragrance, but just a little more mass appealing. Great scent, and obviously Reflection 45, one of my favorite fragrances now of all time. I've nearly run through a whole bottle. They're killing it with these extracts. And here we have Jubilation. Oh, let's look at the box. We can't miss the box on this. So we've got a lovely artwork on the outside of it and beautiful box on the inside. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that golden. That is incredible. That might be the best Amouage presentation that I've seen yet. Wow, that's amazing. I mean, doesn't get much better than that, does it? Before I spray this, you're gonna wanna know how this compares to Jubilation 25. I don't have a bottle, but I do have a discovery sprayer of that scent. So I'm gonna grab that and spray it on my arm, and then I can do a side-by-side comparison for you. Jubilation 25 was always this really perfectly balanced fragrance of incense, of oud. The oud in there is there, it's detectable, but it is so wearable and perfectly blended in with everything else that is going on with the fragrance. It's quite bold, but not too challenging at all. Jubilation 25 is an absolute stunner. Let's see if 40 is a stronger version of 25, or if it's slightly different like Interlude 53 was to Interlude Man. So let's give it a little spray, see what we've got. It is a little bit different actually. It's not just a stronger version. I feel like it is a slightly different composition. 25 has more of a noticeable oud, certainly in the opening. The oud is there in the background of this, maybe not quite as prominent, but I'm getting something more herbal, I think, with this. Actually, no, the oud is coming through. It's still a quite rounded, fairly easy to wear oud. It's not too funky or animalic at all, certainly not challenging. It's spicier as well. It's zingier, it pops off the skin a little more. I think this one's probably gonna have more projection than 25 because of this extra spiciness. For me, I think because of this spiciness, it's a little more mass appealing. I think it jumps off the skin, it's a little more mass appealing. It's still got the weight and the power and the gravitas behind it that 25 had, but I think it's a little poppier, a little zingier, a little more diffusive, probably a bit more modern smelling as well, I would say. Definitely not a dumbed down version at all, just a slightly more mass appealing version of it, I guess. Warming, creamy woods, incensey, a little bit fruity. Oh, it is good. This is everything I love about fragrances. It's complex, it's interesting, it's creative, it's heavy, it's bombastic, it's wearable, it's not challenging at all. Some of the Amouage releases can border on being a little too complex maybe for a lot of people, but I would say Jubilation 40 is complex enough, interesting and satisfying for people who are into more complex fragrances, but wearable enough to be able to go out and it be pretty mass appealing, I would say. On this initial smell, I think that they've really played up the spicy saffron in this. It's almost got a little bit of that quality that Oud for Greatness has, which make that such a mass appealing, satisfying and popular fragrance. Yeah, a more mass appealing, spicier version of Jubilation 25, I would say. I'm loving this. And I'm not just saying that because Amouage sent me this fragrance. They've not asked me to make a video. I just got a notification from DHL that this was arriving in the mail. So that was a nice little surprise. I think it's on release now. I think they were releasing it early December, so you might already be able to buy it. The perfumer on this one, I believe, is Bertrand Duchefort, who was the perfumer on 25. So he's revisited his original composition and just made it, I guess, stronger and, in my opinion, a bit more modern. This is a more modern, better projecting version of Jubilation. I think, as with Reflection 45 and Interlude 53, this is one that I'm going to wear a lot. I'm going to love having this on the shelf. This is going to be great to wear in the cooler temperatures, so this time of year, absolutely perfect. So great time for Amouage, I guess, to release this one. There's some choices I've got to make. I've been trying to decide which of my favourite winter fragrances I should wear this Christmas and this winter season, and now that choice has just got a little bit harder because this is going to be one that I'm going to have to wear. I'm going to have to wear this quite a lot. All right, there we go. Mystery unboxing solved. We unraveled the mystery together. Amouage Jubilation 40. I know it's brand new and many of you won't have tried it yet, but have you tried it? Have you managed to get a bottle or a sample of it? I would love to hear what you think. I guess as this video gets a little older, more people will maybe come and check it out. So if you've had a bit of time with this fragrance by the time you come to watch this video, drop your thoughts in the comments down below. My opinions might change slightly as I wear it and as I further unravel the mystery and complexities of Jubilation 40. First impressions, for now, that's it. I'm going to end it there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know, are you excited about trying Jubilation 40? I'm excited. You know what? I am so excited. I'm wearing this. This is my fragrance of the day, mixed with a bit of 25 on this arm. It's really good. All right, that's it. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do all that, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.